Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Python on your computer. For the first step, go to python.org/downloads and click on the Downloads button. At the time of the recording, the latest version is 3.13.1, so that's what we will download. Now, go to Downloads folder and click on the file that we just downloaded. Check the box Use admin privileges when installing py.exe and click on Install Now. When it says Setup is successful, click Close. Go to the Startup menu at the bottom left of the screen and search for IDLE. What you want to do is click on Open File Location. Click on the IDLE file, right-click and select Open File Location again. Now go to the path and press Ctrl C to copy it. Go to the Startup menu again and search for Edit the Environment Variables. Click on Environment Variables. Double-click on the row with the word Path. Click New, then press Ctrl V to paste the path, then click OK. We are almost done. Let's check to see if Python is installed successfully. Go to the Startup menu and search for Command Prompt. Enter Python. You should see the correct version displayed, which is 3.13.1 as of the date of this video. Then type the following command to print Hello World using Python. If you get this output, it means that Python is installed successfully. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like, and also let me know if you have any questions down in the comment section below.